Hello everybody, how you guys been doing, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can turn off your analytics on TikTok. Alright, so by that I mean, so for those people who do not know what analytics is, analytics basically gives you the information of how many views, how many likes you got, how many people watched your video, like which countries people prefer your videos, how many people follow you. It gives you like a detailed tracking of like your upload schedule and other stuff. But let's say you don't want to see that, you get irritated seeing your analytics, you start worrying, you don't want to see that. Well, the only way to turn it off is to switch your account to your personal account. So analytics feature is only available for a business account and creator account. So if you switch your account back into a personal account, your analytics setting bar is going to be removed. Alright, so you need to keep that in mind. And remember, once you turn your account into personal account, the feature which was given to you when you had like a creator or a business account is also going to be taken from you. So let me show you guys how you guys can turn off your analytics, because this is the only way, turning your account into a personal one. So don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel How to Guide for future videos like this. Let's move on. First step, you click on profile at the bottom of your screen and three line at the top of your screen, and go on where it says settings and privacy at the bottom. Over here you want to go on where it says manage account, and scroll all the way down and you can see switch to personal account. Click on it. Once you do that, it gives you a warning. If you switch your account type, you will lose all business account feature. Your account will no longer show your business website and email. You will still be responsible for any violation you received on your business account. So you can click on switch anyway and your account will be switched to a personal account, but I don't want to do right now, so I'm not going to click on it. But you guys have to click on switch anyway if you want to turn off your analytics. After you do that, your analytics will be turned off and you guys are going to have a normal personal account. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can do it. So don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel How to Guide, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.